Welcome to the video on Living Together, Our Wondrous World, a complete exercise solutions and chapter guide for Class 4 NCERT. Let's complete the table by observing how people and places are connected. The shopkeeper sells goods, roads connect areas, the health center provides treatment, the police ensure safety, and the school gives children a place to learn. Every place has a special role. Why are shared spaces like parks, schools, and hospitals important? They fulfill our basic needs. Without them, life would be difficult and uncomfortable, as sick people would not get quick treatment and children could not study easily. We should throw garbage in dust bins and not pluck flowers to keep places clean and safe. People like the sweeper, gardener, electrician, and plumber help maintain our locality. Taking care of public places is everyone's duty. Different workers use specific tools for their occupations. A mason mends walls using a trowel. A carpenter makes furniture with a saw and hammer. A tailor stitches clothes using a sewing machine and needle. Every job is important in our community. To learn about family members' work, you can ask what they enjoy, what tools they use, and what challenges they face. Neighbors support each other, for example, by cleaning blocked drains. When people act as a team, big problems are solved quickly. In cultural festivities like Diwali, families and neighbors work together to clean, make rangoli, and put up lights. For environmental festivities, we can plant trees, reduce plastic, and conserve water and electricity to care for nature. Working together builds unity and helps solve problems quickly. In school, teachers guide us, students learn together, caretakers keep it clean, and bus drivers ensure safe transport. Everyone plays a vital role in a happy community. If a local park needs improvement, like having dry leaves and wrappers, an activity could be organizing a, quote, park cleaning drive. Working together makes activities more useful by sharing ideas and energy for the best results. Your involvement in community activities encourages others to join and keeps the community clean and healthy. Even a small effort can inspire the whole village. Identify a special skill or craft from your region, like pottery, that is famous. Let's solve some riddles. I am a place where people wait to catch a ride and not be late. The answer is bus stand. I keep letters far and near, with stamps and parcels waiting here. The answer is post office. These are vital community networks. Remember that we all depend on each other. Public places are for everyone to use and respect. Working as a team makes tasks easy and brings joy. Van Mahotsav is a festival of planting trees to make the earth healthier. Trees give us fresh air, shade, and make our surroundings healthy. A community feast brings people closer, creates friendships, and celebrates teamwork. For practice, imagine life without a post office or internet. How would people communicate or receive parcels?